Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So I'm going to give you a quick little survival tip, something that I do with pretty much every bag that I own that I may take out into the forest or the wilderness. It's pretty simple. All it is take a fire dragon gel block or two, stuff it in the bag and forget about it. Simple as that. This is a fantastic fire lighter. It burns clean, it burns hot, and it burns for a long time. Also, it can be used to clean your hands. It's also a hand sanitizer, non-toxic in that sense. So this can allow you to cook food, boil water, clean your hands, or start a fire in pretty inclement weather. So takes up no space, hardly weighs anything at all, and can be a real lifesaver. So be sure to check out BCB Fire Dragon Fuel. I'll put a link in the description of where you can pick some up. Thanks for watching, stay safe. I'm going to put this back in my survival kit, and I'll see you soon.